Good morning. It's about 5:30 I think in the morning at the moment. Just chilling out, checking out the view. I'm thinking about going for a run. Not thinking about it, I am going to go for a run and do that right now. The day started right. Yo. Yeah, yeah. Feel pretty lucky. Get to run out here. It's a beautiful place, man. Empty. No cars. Heaps of kangaroos. Let's keep going. Alright, I'm going to turn around. We came through this fork and I wanted to run, check it out because I really wanted to see this. It's got donut marks all over them. That was a good run. It was only short. I want to run back. Okay. Check these kangaroos. Morning, fellas, ladies. Have a good one, eh? Kangaroos are so cute. That is a bad one. Hey, look. That was a crazy ass kangaroo. Did you see that? Okay, we're making some coffee. I really want some coffee. Cheers, enjoying the view. Soon we're gonna have to pack. Check out at 10. Lake Wivenhoe. This lake is one of the main water supplies for Brisbane. Hey man. Morning. Okay, time to pack up. Time to go home. Let's do it. Next time we'll bring some kayaks for sure. Pretty sure you can pick up a kayak for like 50 bucks if you look hard enough. There was a day area we wanted to come down and check out. So this is if you want to come for the day. Yeah. Oh, it's got a little pool area there.
It's got a little swimming area, yeah. Let's go check it out.
That's really cool. Yeah, we were just about to leave. We wanted to come and check out this day area. So this is where you could actually just come and chill out for the day. Okay, officially going home now. We really want to come back and maybe try kayaking. There's a lot of people with kayaks and stand-up paddleboards. If we can get one, maybe do 2 days next time. It's a beautiful spot. Definitely coming back. Yep, so we just got back. That was a great trip, man. Definitely keen to go back. I've got a bunch more trips coming up this year. Stay tuned. This beautiful country that we live in is filled with places to go to. I still haven't even been to Central Australia yet, and I've been here for so many years. So definitely keen to check that out. I'm trying to get overseas this year, at least twice, but it really depends on the restrictions. Everything's looking pretty good though so far with the news and with all this COVID. Definitely have a Melbourne trip coming up and a few more hiking trips, camping trips as well. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't done so already, check out part 1 of this video. It's somewhere here on the screen. Thanks. Bye.